When it comes to pressure washing, two primary tools often stand out: the surface cleaner and the pressure washer wand. While both are designed to clean surfaces, they serve different purposes, offering unique advantages depending on the task at hand. Understanding their differences will help you choose the right tool for your specific cleaning needs. How surface cleaners work. A surface cleaner is an attachment designed for large, flat surfaces. It features a rotating spray bar with multiple nozzles that spin rapidly as water flows through them, distributing a uniform spray pattern over the surface. This feature allows for quick, efficient cleaning of expansive areas such as driveways, patios, sidewalks, and even large commercial spaces. The spinning nozzles ensure that the surface is cleaned evenly, reducing the chances of streaks or uneven spots. The primary appeal of a surface cleaner is its efficiency. It can cover a large area in a relatively short time, making it ideal for jobs that involve cleaning expansive, relatively flat spaces. Most models have wheels, which make them easy to maneuver across surfaces, and their design helps minimize fatigue during long cleaning sessions. How pressure washer wands work. In contrast, a pressure washer wand is a handheld tool that directs a concentrated stream of water from the pressure washer to the surface. The wand typically has a single nozzle, but some advanced models may feature adjustable nozzles to control the water's spread and pressure. Unlike the surface cleaner, which is best suited for large flat surfaces, the wand excels at precision cleaning, allowing users to target specific areas or reach higher places, such as second-story windows or gutters. Pressure washer wands are particularly useful for cleaning smaller or more delicate surfaces where control pressure is important. They can handle a variety of tasks, from washing cars and cleaning windowsills to removing stains from hard-to-reach spots on walls. Their flexibility makes them suitable for both broad and detailed work, though they generally require more time and effort to cover large areas compared to a surface cleaner. Key differences between surface cleaners and pressure washer wands. Speed and coverage. One of the most significant differences between a surface cleaner and a wand is the speed at which each tool operates. Surface cleaners are designed for large surface areas and can clean them in less time due to their wide spray pattern and rapid rotation. For instance, cleaning a large driveway can take hours with a wand, but with a surface cleaner, it can be completed in a fraction of the time. Wands, however, are better suited for more detailed or precise cleaning and are slower because each section needs to be manually targeted. Efficiency. Surface cleaners are more efficient for large, flat areas thanks to their consistent spray coverage. The rotating nozzles ensure an even distribution of water, making it easier to clean large surfaces without creating streaks or missed spots. Wands, on the other hand, can sometimes leave streaks and inconsistencies, especially if not handled properly, since the user must constantly adjust the angle and direction of the nozzle. Precision. For tasks that require more control, like cleaning delicate surfaces, hard-to-reach spots, or areas that demand targeted water pressure, the pressure washer wand is the clear winner. Its focused stream allows for more precise work, making it ideal for smaller or intricate jobs. Maneuverability. Surface cleaners are typically more effortless to maneuver over large, flat surfaces due to their wheel design. They glide smoothly across the surface with minimal exertion from the user. Wands, on the other hand, require more physical effort, especially when used for larger areas, as users need to direct and maintain the spray over the entire surface manually. Which one should you choose? Choosing between a surface cleaner and a pressure washer wand depends on the job at hand. If you need to clean large, flat, and open spaces like driveways, patios, or parking lots, a surface cleaner is the better choice due to its efficiency and speed. Its ability to clean evenly across large areas will save you time and effort, making it an essential tool for homeowners and professionals who tackle big outdoor spaces. On the other hand, if your project involves precision work, such as cleaning walls, gutters, or delicate surfaces like windows, a pressure washer wand is likely the better option. It allows you to target specific areas, reach high places, and adjust the pressure as needed for a more detailed cleaning experience. Ultimately, each tool has its strengths and weaknesses, and your choice will depend on the scale and nature of the cleaning task you need to accomplish. For many users, having both tools in their pressure washing arsenal provides the flexibility to tackle a wide range of cleaning jobs, from large-scale cleaning projects to precision tasks.